Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use InDesign for graphic design. Step 1. Set up your document. Launch your Adobe InDesign and create a new document. Specify the document dimension and set the margins. Choose the appropriate color mode. Then after that, step 2. Design your layout. Familiarize yourself with the InDesign workspace. Utilize the toolbar to access various tools. Arrange and organize your content by placing images. Then step 3. Import and format content. Import text and images into your InDesign documents and format text using the characters and paragraphs panels. Edit and retouch images within InDesign using the object menu or the effect panel. And last, prepare for output. Proofread and review your design to ensure accuracy. Check that all images and fonts used in your design are properly linked or embedded. Then, make sure to save your InDesign project file regularly to avoid any potential data loss. So that's how to use InDesign for graphic design. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!